Here comes the gray dog, Bonnie, to her winter home. El Presidente is manning the fort over there on the phone. It's going in by, we're all together. You guys, me and Eric, Greg and Cindy, Mark and Lucy, we're all in the same freaking quadrant. D9, baby. Here they go. Just sneak her in. There's Greg, handling everything. There's the gray dog. She's a beauty. They're gonna sneak her in right between this 38 right here, and then Mark and Lucy's 38, and then our 27 or whatever it is is right in front of you, and then Blue Eyed Girls is right next to Eric and I. Here he goes, sliding her in. Look at this. It's incredible. I'm videotaping for Bonnie. Are you too?
I don't think Cindy's is working.
Say hi.
Hi, Bon.
Are you videotaping, Mike?
I am.
I don't think it's working.
That's okay. I'm videotaping. I'm gonna send it to Bonnie when we're
I
done.
got like 5 minutes.
Oh, I got 140. Say hi, Bonnie.
Hi,
So we'll know shortly, Bonnie, if Mark and Lucy are joining us for dinner. She's gonna bug Mark in a minute. There goes the gray dog. So see, there's ours. There's Blue Eyed Girls. And then there's Mark and Lucy. We are all together. We got Precious Cargo. We got the gray dog. We got
Precious
Blue Eyed
Cargo.
Girls, and we got the future underdog. All together. Hi, Mike. Mike doesn't have capris on anymore. That's not going to be the boat next year when it comes out, though.
Okay. See, look at Lisa and I are gonna
We're just going to record each other. And there she
There
is.
she is. There they are.
Poll number is D9. We're looking forward to a great winter together.
Say bye-bye.
Done.